We all try to keep our living space clean on a daily basis, but what about when it comes to cleaning and sanitizing our souls and bodies? Do you do anything about cleaning and purifying the space where your body is healthy? Detoxification and cleansing are just as important as the meals you consume. Lifestyle today exposes our bodies to a variety of pollutants and toxins. Toxins such as tobacco smoke, air pollution, pesticides and food additives can cause chronic fatigue, depression, anxiety, irritable bowel syndrome and kidney stones. We ingest many chemicals every day, willingly or unwillingly. With detoxification, the body is recharged and regains its lost youth. In the meantime, many foods that you like will help you in this way. Here are 24 natural foods to help cleanse the body and detoxify. Please support my channel with likes, subscriptions and comments, thank you. Number 1, water. Number 2, cauliflower. Number 3, broccoli. Number 4, the vegetables. Number 5, garlic. Number 6, asparagus. Number 7, apple. Number 8, berries. Number 9, olive oil. Number 10, almond. Number 11, ginger. Number 12, green tea. Number 13, onion. Number 14, cabbage. Number 15, turmeric. Number 16, lemon. Number 17, grapefruit. Number 18, spinach. Number 19, avocado. Number 20, walnut. Number 21, pomegranate. Number 22, beets. Number 23, celery. And in the last, artichoke.